Yo, so you already know what it is. Your boy Q Flu. We out here, man. Apparently these Aleali maids dropping early. And it's raining out here, so we ain't gonna spend too much time kind of, recording. But you know what time it is. You feel me? Got the boy Mees in the line. You know what I'm saying? Hey man, real sneakerheads, we do this shit for real. We do what we gotta do.
Every day all day.
You know what I'm saying? We do what we gotta do.
What up, Q?
What's poppin', baby?
What's going on,
Hey man, you already know.
Got that young rich
I got a call from Europe. My guy in Europe. Oh, it's too cold for that. My guy in Europe told me, these joints supposed to be releasing. So we up out here.
early release.
Hopefully they came out of my size.
Meet the queen.
You know what I'm saying? We gonna meet a lady May. My boy Nate Triple OZ parking that thing. But we gonna do what we gotta do. Let's get it. Yo, what up? What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. You know what I'm saying? We back with another one, baby. And if you couldn't already tell by that little short footage in the beginning of this joint right here, this ball right here, we cooking up something special today. Your boy did have the opportunity to pick up these guys right here. The Aleali May, Chicago, hometown, yet another hometown hero, man, out here getting it poppin'. You know what I'm saying? Well, not really quite. But she did do some work out here in Chicago. She actually started at RSVP Chicago, got a start before she kind of blew up. You know what I'm saying? And, kind of killing everybody in the fashion world right now. But, we finally got that PE. You know what I'm saying? The Aleali May sixes, they finally here. Dropped early today in Chicago, man. You know what I'm saying? Of course, we size 13 squad out here. Size 13 gang, size 13 nation. These were not going to happen for me. I think the largest size they went up to was a size 12. You know what I'm saying? But we're going to go ahead, get right into it, get a little quick review. Of course, I can't do the on feet for you guys, but I know my boy Nate Triple OG coming up with that on feet. You know what I'm saying? But I just kind of wanted to show you all the shoe. You know what I'm saying? And kind of let you know my thoughts of them. You know what I'm saying? And we're going to rock it out just like that. But before we go ahead and get into this quick review, I did want to let you all know that giveaway is still ongoing, man. So, if you're interested in entering in for that giveaway, man, please follow my, social media. Go to my IG page, man. Look for the young, giveaway posts. You know what I'm saying? We definitely trying to get this page, growing and moving the way it's supposed to be. You know what I'm saying? You can be entered in for that giveaway. Something really, really dope, man. Some Supreme, some sneakers. I'm going to give you all the choice, baby. You know what I'm saying? As we get closer to that goal of 1,000 subscribers and 1,000 followers on IG. You know what I'm saying? So please look at the link, look at the information in the bio and the video description. And go to my IG page, man. Find out more details on how you can enter that. Also, if you're new to the channel, of course, the new people, the newbies here, you know what I'm saying? Make sure if you loving what I'm doing, baby, you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and holla at your boy in them comments, man. We do talk bike, bruh. You know what I'm saying? We do talk back, man. We good around here, Fugate TV. Without further ado, as we proceed to give you what you need, let's get into it. Really quick thoughts, man. You know what I'm saying? I really wish that, we could have had this shoe. I think this is, just like the Jordan 1s that she did come out with, and that kind of satin shadow colorway. These are absolutely necessary for the culture, you know what I'm saying, for everybody. Everybody to get their hands on a pair of these, man. These are just too fire. I mean, I know this rust pink, the same way we all went crazy over those rust pink Jordan 1s that released at Art Basel a couple of years ago, man. This is definitely in the same vein, same hue. And these definitely would have got free, man, so many different ways. I'm kind of sad I didn't get a pair of these. I did get a chance to kind of chat with her really quickly, and she was just kind of like, we got to do this for the women. You know what I'm saying? The women out here is International Women's Day weekend, which was the inspiration behind the special release here in Chicago. And she just wanted to do something dope for the women, man. If you are Team Lil Feet out here, these are fire. These are certainly, definitely the way to go, yo. So, I mean, like, shout out to y'all. Definitely a dope sneaker. You know what I'm saying? Y'all ain't gonna be mad at these. Y'all ain't gonna be mad at these at all. Yo, so, when you see this box, y'all already know what it is. Don't need to really go that much in detail. Super special. You know, this is the exclusive, you know, kind of general, you know, super special box that they're releasing with all the new exclusive Jordan releases. You see that Women's Air Jordan 6 Retro NRG. Still got the NRG. These did retail for $160. Coming at rust pink. You know, a la those Jordan 1s. Rust pink, bright crimson. You know what I'm saying? Size 10, which is about 8.5 men's, 8.5 men's, size 9 men's. So just kind of getting on into it. You have, you know, this kind of like nubuck, you know, suede kind of material. Nice and plush, nice and soft. You super short hair. You don't see the, you know, the texture or, you know, shape, you know, changing when you rub this joint. Just a really soft nubuck. You got those hits of the bright crimson, but it looks like the infrared they just used on their infrared 6s. You know, kind of on the hues. That old, you know, that traditional color blocking scheme there. Got this rust pink just kind of all around the upper. Really subtle but dope hits of just this crimson color, man. Really simple. They kept it really simple with these. Jumpman tag, if you ain't noticed already, just regular plain Jane Jordan Jumpman Air on the back, which means you're not gonna find any of that OG branding, you know, kind of covering this thing. Left us with the super duper icy bottoms on these guys right here with that crimson Jumpman. Just a really clean, really simple shoe. No special, you know, lace tips or nothing like that. Just regular plain standard lace tips. Excuse the ashy hands. Your boy been working today. It's a rainy day in Chicago. Whatever. You know, nice little crimson Jumpman on the inside. But they just kept these super clean. If you kind of see that 3M, you know, kind of creeping out there. The 3M does pop really nicely. You know what I'm saying? I thought that was a really dope added touch, especially considering the fact that they don't usually, you know, bless the grade schools with a lot of 3M. But hopefully that justifies that $190 price point. For the ladies, which I can really easily see y'all, if you're not like super into sneakers, passing on them just because of that price point. But you'll be a fool if you do. They don't really do often, you know, Team Lil Feet releases like this. But these are really dope, man. So I recommend y'all go ahead, grab these, pick these up, because they fire. Which brings me to a question, man. Yo, Team Lil Feet, what in the world does it take for y'all to want to pick up dope exclusive releases like this? I know a lot of chicks, especially the older ones, are into the heels and, you know, all of that, which is good. We like that as men too. But like, we love seeing y'all in dope sneakers, man. We love seeing y'all fly and comfortable too. What does it take for y'all to go ahead and scoop these things up? Maybe you'll do a discussion video on that. You know, get some of the other sneaker heads on up in there, sneaker queens up in there, man, giving their opinions, man. But yep, that's it. Let's get into that, you know, outro. Let's get it, gang. So, I mean, like, that's it, man. Quick little box review, man. Like I said, man, these are definitely the ones, man. I wish these would have came out in, you know, Team Big Feet sizes, man. You know, Aleali May, man, if you ever catch this video, you ever feel like sending me one of those PE versions that I'm sure goes all the way up, you know what I'm saying, full size run, man, holla at your boy. Right here. Super appreciative. You know what I'm saying? But these things are absolutely fire, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know in the comment box, man, how y'all feel about these joints right here, man. These come out next week, man. Can we wait for these? These hot? We need these? I need, you know, we need these, or should they keep these, man? Y'all let me know. You know what I'm saying? But this shit, as always, it's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. You know what I'm saying? You already know how we rocking. Got the Aleali Mays in hand, baby. Gang. The Chicago.